This game is called Sleighride Sounds. You will identify the picture on the card, and on your recording sheet you will write the ending sound for the picture. Make sure that you are matching the letter on the card to the letter on your recording sheet. For example, I see on the letter A card a picture of a cat. The sounds that I hear in cat are k, a, t. The end sound is t. I know that the letter T makes the sound t. So on my recording sheet by the letter A, I'm going to write a lowercase t. Make sure that you are working as a team with your partner. When you are finished, put all of the cards back in the bag. Remember, do not take the instruction sheet out of the bag.